So where are you from? What's your name?
I'm from DMV, and I'm your sister, Dani, the traveling bartender, and I pulled up on you in Seattle, and you're getting ready to take me around all of Seattle today.
That's right. That's right. We're gonna show you all of the best things.
He made me wear my chill clothes, y'all, so you know that means it's an active day.
Check it out. I'm showing you. Listen, Seattle is just known for so much. It's very beautiful. Its culture is. I'm just gonna show you. I'm just gonna show you. I'm just gonna show you. Get it, get it, get it, get it. She popping and dropping and noise dancing for that profit. Shake it faster than an ostrich. I'll rock a socket, rock and bend it over. I'ma show you how a real nigga gon' do. Beat it down like a rumble when I'm done.
It's like a seafood market. It is a market for everything, actually. Oh, we're about to grub, boy.
Oh, load, unload, unload.
Dude, this is how you ball on a budget, Collin, because you can go to all these different places for like half the cost of what it would cost to go to one expensive place, and then you could eat and try all these different things and walks of life in Seattle. It's really, really cool.
Wow.
This is how you ball on a budget.
That's very true. It's very true. That's really good, though.
Shut up.
Yeah, it's really good. You taste it. You should taste it. It's so sweet. It's the raspberry honey. It's really delicious. Oh my gosh. You can try the wildflower honey?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see.
Yeah, I mean,
What do you think?
Oh, wow.
It's really good?
Yeah.
I'll try the blackberry
so
one.
you should try all three.
All three?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because we don't do anything to the flavor, the color, the texture, they are all completely different from each other.
Really?
Oh yeah, try all three.
Wow.
Yeah.
The blackberry was a strong one.
Here.
The blackberry is strong.
Yeah.
But I like it though.
Yeah.
So how do you get the different flavors?
So these are efficient. They are, these are our beehives. We have about 100 beehives on our 10-acre herb farm. So we have blackberry fields, we have raspberry fields. We have beehives within the fields themselves. Bees, being efficient, breed lazy. Why are they going to fly a half a mile over to a different field when 5 feet outside their hive is an ever-renewing, amazing food source?
Makes sense,
So
makes
they're
sense.
going to stay in that area. Same in the raspberry fields. Wildflower is, beekeepers speak for our bees pollinate everything on our farm, and we don't know what corner they were in today.
Wow.
So, have you ever tried bee pollen?
No.
What is
You'd
that?
like to try some?
What does it do?
What does it do? What is
It's
it?
a superfood. It's really good for allergies, like eating raw honey helps your body produce those antibodies and histamines.
Really?
It's the next step after eating raw local honey. It helps your body by introducing it into your system through your stomach instead of your lungs. Your body gets a chance to build up the histamines that create that over response and make you miserable. It is also a superfood. It is chock full of vitamins
And you put the
minerals.
honey and stuff in your lotion bars too?
We put the beeswax. Yeah, everything else that I sell is beeswax based.
What does
What's your-
beeswax do?
Beeswax penetrates into your skin, so like liquid lotion, I don't care how much you pay for your liquid lotion. 98% of the time, it is 70% water. If you're paying $4 for a pump that's this big or $400 for a tube that's this big, you rub it on, you feel fabulous.
Yeah.
That water is what penetrates your skin and makes your skin feel hydrated. You know how half an hour after you put on lotion, you feel drier?
Right.
Because you are. That water has evaporated, taking water from your skin with it. It is a vicious cycle. Beeswax, however, is a natural moisturizer. It penetrates into your skin. It does take 2 to 4 minutes, so it does go on a little bit thick and silky. Penetrates in completely. It doesn't leave you sticky, oily, greasy, tacky.
Really?
It penetrates in. 2-3 hours after you put it on, you can go to the restroom, wash your hands, eat something, use the washroom, whatever. Your hands still feel moisturized.
Really?
These bars are the only kind of conditioner and hair oil I use.
For real?
And what's your
For real.
what's your company? What's your company name?
Moon Valley Organic.
Moon Valley Organics. Okay.
Yeah.
And what's
Let
your
me get you a brochure.
and what's your name?
My name is Nikki.
Nice to meet you. Nick. I'm Colin. Very nice to meet you.
What was it, Calvin?
Colin.
Colin, nice to meet
Very
you.
nice to meet you. So which vinegar is this?
It's the urban jerk.
This is the urban jerk vinegar. And what's inside of it?
Yellow Scotch bonnets, allspice berries, thyme, ginger, and garlic.
That's really good.
Like
Oh my
chicken,
goodness.
Shrimp, fish.
It's like sweet, spicy, not crazy strong vinegar.
It's not.
A cinnamony flavors or something like that. I don't
It's
know.
allspice.
What is that? What is allspice?
Allspice is, it's used in like pumpkin pie spices and stuff. It's used a lot in Chinese cooking and like a, what do you call it? Like a Chinese 5-spice. It's got allspice berries on it.
Wow.
It's used in like Middle Eastern cooking and stuff as well.
She has salt. I love it.
Wait, say it again. What is this?
So local raw honey infused with cayenne and smoked paprika.
Cayenne and smoked paprika. What?
So put it on your pizza, chicken, ribs, wings.
It's really good.
What do you think?
I like it.
Ooh, it's sweet and spicy.
Yeah, I used to put hot sauce in my honey, and this is the same thing. Yeah.
Nah, come on.
No, but this is better.
Yeah, I used
This
to
is way
mix like
better.
a tapatio in
Yeah, my honey,
and then add
Whoa.
honey to it.
This is
Make like a
spicy.
honey mustard with
They got
that
the cute little
spicy.
travel size.
Yeah,
With the
so you
travel
can put
size?
that on the plate.
Put it in your purse. You never know you need a biscuit. You know what I'm
Hot
saying?
sauce
Honey?
in my bag.
Anytime we need it. Like,
Put it on your wings.
that's awesome. All right.
Thank you so much.
Danielle. This joint as big as you, Mo.
I did not want to see this crab before it was alive.
Yeah, look at your head down to your belly button, Mo. This joint jumbo on you.
Thank you so much.
That joint is jumbo zone.
Yes. Yeah, no. But can I can you guys split it linear?
You're gonna buy it like that? Here, let's go back here and do it.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Sir, what's your name?
I'm Neil, man. How you doing?
You're Neil? Nice, Collin, nice to meet you.
Good to meet you.
I'm a traveling personal chef. I'm based out of Washington, but I pretty much we're doing a traveling video today. It's Pike's Place and trying to check out the seafood. She's from DC.
Really?
She doesn't know anything about the Pike's Place or the West Coast like that.
Okay.
And Washington is just, it's a whole different thing.
Oh,
so,
yeah.
So these crab, where'd they come from?
These are Alaska, Bering Sea.
The Bering Sea.
Yeah.
How big is the entire? I mean, I can't imagine how big this crab is by itself.
You got that, and then you got the other side like that, right? Body's going like that.
Jeez, man. So the entire crab, cumulatively, probably would cost you guys to get it for how much? I mean, I can't even imagine. Like,
Well, I mean, you're gonna have. I mean, this leg's $60, so it's gonna be
jeez.
a lot. Is there anything else I can do for you, man?
Nah, man, this is it. We're gonna crush this, man. We're gonna crush this.
Oh, it's gonna be great tonight.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah,
You
I
want a
like
little
that.
ice on there for you?
Ice, please. Yeah.
You got it, buddy.
Thank you so much, man. Cocktail sauce and then lemon. That's all we really need.
Okay.
Lemon.
Then we
You
got
got
that
it,
cup
man.
of
Thanks, guys. Yeah.
Oh shit!
Oh, that's what you
Oh
mean?
my
You sure?
gosh.
Thank you. Yeah, okay.
That
we're
was the
leaving.
primitive. Oh my.
We're definitely gonna shout you guys out tonight when we go home and bust it open.
Cocktail sauce. Cocktail sauce. Oh yeah. It's not the fact that it's a whole bunch. It's the thought that counts. How he would even do that. You know what I'm saying? It's just love. It's all about positive vibes. That's what I'm saying. You know. That's what I'm saying, man.
Thank you.
Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you all later. The best seafood market in Seattle is right here. It's right here. Wow.
That's my shortest round.
That cantaloupe is really good.
That's really good. So they just dry it out and it's so good, but it doesn't taste dry. I was actually like
Peruvian.
But when she just gave us this cantaloupe, it was actually like really moist, even if it was still dried out.
Yeah, it was like
That
sticky.
was really still good.
It was really good.
Wow.
What'd you think of that cantaloupe?
Yeah,
that was the best one.
That was the best one. It was
Like-
really, it's dried out, but it's very still fruity. Yeah, it's delicious. That's real good.
What does it taste like?
Pineapple.
But like consistency wise.
Like a Twizzler pineapple.
Ooh, that's a really good example. Like a Twizzler.
Twizzler.
Wow.
Kinda.
Cheers.
Cheers.
This is the gum wall of Seattle, Washington. It's freaking badass. There's bees everywhere. It's sweet smelling. I just want to just Let's take a bite. Oh shit. Oh, sorry. I didn't know you were behind me. Live Dungeness crab. Oh my goodness. Just hop in and take and grab one myself. They look huge too. How many could you eat, Danielle?
Only 2 of these.
2 of these? Oh my goodness, they're so big.
Baby one. Good grief.
But what kind of sauce would you eat with it?
Uncle sauce.
Ooh, she know what time it is. That's what I'm saying. Look at this guy.
It's been amazing.
May I? But what is it?
A peach.
A peach. Huh.
What do you think it was?
We've been eating different fruits all
Hold on now, hold on.
They
They say cotton candy grapes,
Yeah.
teardrop grapes. You guys have some crazy stuff. Yeah, champagne grapes. Y'all have some crazy stuff. I'd be surprised.
Fun out here.
Look at this thing up here. Look at this. This is real.
Rainier cherries. Look at those colors.
Oh, hello. This is so awesome. How are you, sir?
They're edible 2 years, negative 5 to 8 years. They're gonna be dry in 6 months, like that one.
Like, oh my goodness. That is so awesome. So right now we're in Edmonds and we're going on the ferry to cross the Puget Sound, and we're gonna go to Kingston where the boat is. So this ferry takes about 30 minutes to cross the water. There's gonna be some beautiful views. We're gonna go upstairs because they have some, hopefully they have some chowder on board because I know I'm kind of hungry. And we're gonna go out to the weather deck so we can go see the water. So then yeah, on this gooey duck boat, I'm a tender. And what a tender does is, there's 3 people on this boat. There's a captain, there's a tender, and there's a diver. The diver goes down in his dry suit and he has this water jet gun and he sprays water at the bottom of the ocean to move the sand out because the gooey duck are like 2 feet down. He grabs the gooey duck and he puts him in a bag like this. This is the bag that he puts him in right here. And he throws the gooey duck inside this hole, and then he fills the bag up till it's full. And every time it gets full, we can hear him on this call box. There's a call box in here. We talk to him on, and we can hear what he says and how he breathes. And he says, "Hey, the bag can come up." And okay, so we drop this line down right here, and it follows his breathing line to where he's at. He connects the bag up, and we use this crane right here to bring the bag up. The bag comes up, and we swing it over here. We put it right here, and the huge bag of gooey ducks right here. And we open it up, and we start boom, boom, boom. We start putting rubber bands around them because it closes them. We want them to get closed so that because if they open up, it's like we want them to preserve themselves, you know. So we're a band around each one, and then we grade them, put them in different crates depending on like the quality of them, you know. Like largest, like if it was blue crabs, it'd be like largest, medium, smalls, right? For gooey duck, it's like it's a different grading system, but like determining the color and the shell. It's mainly the color of the meat that they do it by, like the whiter or like the darker or what the meat looks like is they fucked up. Like it's a snout, so like it's solid meat. It's exposed to the outside, so it can easily get messed up and bit by crabs and stuff like that. The quality of the water, you know. So, but yeah, and then yeah, all we do is we grade them in these crates, and then we grade them in these crates. And then we bring them onto the pier and bring them to the vans, and the vans take them and ship them. They grade them again and ship them, and that's it. That's wild. This is the fishing vessel, Felicia. Super awesome. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
It's cool to be out here. I'm working here Monday through Friday, and it's just cool because like it's so random, but it's like no matter what, I'm on the ocean. That's what I always love. I was in the Coast Guard, and it didn't matter really what I was doing, but I was always in the water. So it's doing what you love, you know.
Yeah.